Hi YouTube. I just adore a good unboxing video. My package is still sealed. I love an unboxing video. I just don't like when I can tell that the box has already been opened. So I wanted to show on camera me actually opening this box. I recently joined the TLC Total Life Changes family as a business opportunity as well as an opportunity to get healthy. The ISO Tea detox has been something I've heard a lot of people have a lot of success with, and I figured I wanted to try it. So why not go into business? Here's my kit, and it did come, I believe, UPS. I paid $180 for everything you're going to see in this box. However, today is December the 1st, 2019. The starter kit is only $49.99. I bought the additional ISO tea you see pictured here. Did not come in the starter kit, but I'm really interested in the tea. Here's a welcome letter welcoming me tongue-tied to the TLC family. And don't worry about if I go a little fast and you don't see these on video. At the end of this video, I will show you exactly what all came in the box. This is some marketing material. At the end of the video, I will be able to show you what's exactly in the bag. I also received 3 sample packets of the ISO tea, which actually is included in the kit for $49, as well as the 3 packets of the NRG. 5 wristbands, which is marketing material discussion pieces, as well as the 2 buttons. The NutriBurst did not come in this kit. I actually paid $49 additional for the NutriBurst, as well as $59 for the 2 satchels. So my whole kit came to $180.42 plus shipping. This is exactly what came in my Life Changers kit. A welcoming letter, the purple book, marketing material, reading material to familiarize yourself with the company, as well as more reading material to familiarize yourself with the company. The NRG did come for the $49.99. The samples of the ISO tea did come for $49.99. We have some cards here, as well as some things to get to know about the company. Have some more cards here. All this marketing material was $49.99, as well as the buttons you see here. The wristbands did come in the kit for the $49.99, and the 5 and 5 app. This NutriBurst is great, but it was an additional $49. This ISO tea was an additional $50. This is what came in my kit. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for my weight loss journey.